is Jenny with Sparklettes Art. Today we're going to create cat stack. In this lesson, you get to create a stack of cats. Now, cats may not be so happy about being stacked. Some cats might have a happy expression, some may not. Some might be grumpy, some might be annoyed. So you're going to think about how a stack of cats might look, and then you're going to draw it. You're going to add the color that you think that personality or with that expression that that cat is showing matches. So this cat is all happy. I've done that one in orange. This one's super cute on the top and it's happy as well. It's excited, it's wagging its little tail, and that one's pink. You're also going to add some movement lines to show that the cat stack does move. All right, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, Sharpies, and your choice of medium. In this sample, I used some crayon. All right, gather your supplies and meet me right back here. See you soon. In this lesson, you really want to fill the page with the cats. So I'm going to start off with my bottom cat. The bottom cat is going to be the largest one. And then drawing a very light oval. This is the back of the cat, and here's the head. I'm going to draw the lines down for the paws. Now, if you prefer realistic looking cats, you can go ahead and do that. This is just an idea. You do you. Adding in the ears. And the tail. The next step is drawing the cat, who's super excited about being all squished up in the middle. And this one is annoying the bottom one because of its tail. And we have a puppy visitor. Okay, thank you. So I'm working on the middle cat, and because the first cat on the bottom is really large and fluffy, you're not going to see the legs of this cat. You're just going to see that tail going into the cat's face, annoying that cat. Next, we have a cat that is wrapped into this cat. So this tail, I'm going to start off with this side. The tail is going around, and this cat is going to fit kind of like this, but on this side. And this cat is really confused. Finally, we have a cat at the top. And this is our little cat. And she's so excited to be the top that they invited her to participate. So she is ecstatic. And this one is freaking out. This one has no idea. I'm going to make a circle eye for that one. Add some whiskers. And this is the cat who's pleased as punch. And this one has a cute little patch on its eye. And a couple patches around here. erase the underneath cat. There it is. And then this cat is highly irritated because the other cat is invading its space, and also the weight of all the other cats is on it, and it's really annoyed. Okay, so my sketch is complete. Now I get to get out my Sharpie and I'm going to outline my drawing. I have my Sharpie out and I'm going to start adding in the lines from my cat. And I'm thinking about fur texture. As you can see, when I'm outlining, I make adjustments as I go. You can do that if you want to, you don't have to. To draw the top of this cat. Okay, I'm on to this cat now. This one is, the next one I'm on has a smooth fur texture, so I'm not going to add the little lines to show different types of fur. I'm just going to make it straight line. The whiskers can also be expressive. So these are down, straight. These are a little happier. I'm outlining the eye patch. Little tiny triangles. You make this however you want. These are just ideas. Right, now that I'm done drawing, I'm going to go back in with my eraser and erase the pencil lines. There's a special guest, Luna Eve. She's come to investigate the cat stack. Now I get to add my color. This cat is irritated. I'm gonna make him like a queasy-ish green color. Like a limey green. This is green yellow. When you color it, you want to make short strokes close together. You can use any medium you want. So this could be painted in. You could use markers. Whatever you choose. For this bottom cat, I did a yellow-green, and then I took my gray crayon and made some texture lines over that to show that this cat was really fluffy. This is the kind of cat whose hair never looks good. It's always looking insane, crazy. It always looks like it's having a bad day. So I'm just using my crayon and doing some loose sort of scribbling over the top. The next one is my orange kitty. And I didn't realize, but I've chosen Atomic Tangerine, and I don't really care for that. I'm going to use the red orange. Now, if you use a color that you don't like, it's okay. You can just color over it. This is the cat with spots. So I'm gonna do the orange color first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my spots. I think I'm gonna leave the spots white and instead of my mouth pink. And I have this cat who's feeling freaked out. This cat is going to have super cool eyes. So it's going to have a yellow eye and a green eye. And then finally, we have the cat who's really happy at the top. And she's going to be pink. That's her belly spot. right, now for the background, you can color it with crayon, or you could paint it in, or you could even leave it. I'm choosing my background color. I'm choosing this green. This is a construction paper crayon. I really like this color green. It's gonna look nice with the rest of the colors. I colored in my background green, and now I'm going to go in and add some movement lines. Hi there. I hope you had a blast today creating Cat Stack. I can't wait to see what you create.